Again, the Kisii County, Aaron, is a lot of impunity. That we are not following the law. Governor Simba has become above the law. Government association ya any president, he feels that no one can question whatever he's doing. That is the problem we are having today in Kisii County. But I want to speak to my governor, that Kenya is a country governed by laws. We have had governors. We had Ferdinand Waititu, who was very powerful. In fact, MCAs were not talking. We had Sonko, who was extremely powerful. Ekata Sonko abete impeached. We imagined Nairobi will collapse. Nairobi moved on. Okoto bado mata. Na kole time ya 10 years. Ebi ndobilie ibete bionsi bikuda so mwananchi. Ebige ndata ko niwa. So don't imagine that you will operate with a lot of impunity and then you will walk scot free. We are in a country governed by laws. Na chibabo ni kana toruo. The law will catch up with you.